I'm back with more ASL signs. Are you ready? The sign assistant. To sign assistant, first take both hands, form the letter A just like this. Now from here, I take them both and bring the thumbs upward and the palm faces the signer. From here, I will take my dominant A, bring that up underneath the non-dominant A, and from here, the tips of the dominant thumb will tap twice at the bottom, just like this. From the side, front again. That is how I sign assistant. The sign disappointed. The sign is simply take the index finger of the dominant hand. You will bring that index finger to the chin just like this. Now make sure from here that the facial expression matches the word or the sign disappoint or to be disappointed. From the side, front again. That is how I sign to be disappointed or disappoint. The sign or the phrase just take it or accept it. The sign is simply take both hands just like this, and what I do is I begin to bring them towards the body and you form the sign accept. The fingers come together and rest up against the chest of the signer. Let me do that again. Now make sure your face is actually demonstrating, just take it, man. From the side, front again. That is how I sign the phrase, just take it or just accept it. The sign to oppose. The sign is first start off with the index finger of your dominant hand. Now I am right-handed, so my dominant hand is my right hand. From here, I will take the index finger. It will touch the forehead just like this. From here, both index fingers come together, touching at the tips, and then they separate, oppose one another. So let me show you that again. From the side, from the front again. That is how I sign to oppose. The sign to preserve or to save. The sign is simply take your fist of the non-dominant hand, bring it out in front of the body just like this. Now take the dominant hand, form the letter V, and with the V you'll bring it up against the back of the non-dominant hand just like this. From the side, from the front again. That is how you sign to preserve or save. The sign to be proficient, proficiency, or skilled. The sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, extend it out in front of the body just like this. The fingers are upward. Now with your dominant hand, the dominant hand will wrap around the non-dominant hand just like this, and from here you will go forward. Let me show you from the side and from the front again. That is how you sign to be proficient, proficiency, or skilled. The sign reality or real. The sign is simply take the index finger of the dominant hand, bring it up under the chin just like this, and from here, the index finger will go upward like an outward arc, just like this. From the side, front again. That is how you sign reality or real. The sign to remain or to continue. The sign is simply take both hands, form the letter A just like this. Now, point the palms of the A hands downward, and then the tips of the thumbs will come together, and from here you will do a forward motion just like this. Let me show you that from the side. From the front again. That is how I sign to remain or to continue. The sign socks. The sign is simply take both hands, extend out the index fingers, bring them together just like this, kind of like on a 45-degree angle. From here, they will rub against each other, alternating back and forth just like this. From the side and from the front again. That is how I sign socks. The sign temporary. The sign is, first what I do is I extend out my index fingers and my middle fingers. Now I take my dominant hand and I rest the middle finger on the very tips of the index fingers of the non-dominant hand, and I go back and forth just like this. Let me see if I can show you a little bit from the side. Front again. That is how I sign temporary. The sign tense, serious, or severe. To sign this, simply take the index finger of the dominant hand, bring that to the chin. As it touches the chin, you will twist inwards just like this. Now make sure your face demonstrates that maybe there's a tense situation or something's very serious or even severe. And display that on your face. From the side, front again. That is how you sign tense, serious, or severe. The sign to record, to write down, or to document something. To sign is simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that on front of the body with the palm facing upward. Now with my dominant hand, I bring the fingers together, place them right in the center of the palm of the non-dominant hand. From here, I will bring them slightly upward, open the fingers of the dominant hand, and tap up against the non-dominant hand, just like this. From the side, from the front again. That is how I sign to record, to write down, or to document something. Now on this video, I've shown you approximately 12 ASL signs. Now if you've learned anything from this video, please do me the honor of first hitting the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.